While I cannot draw an image of an essay, I can definitely write a sample GRE essay for you that explores a topic from both a positive and negative perspective. The GRE analytical writing section typically asks you to analyze an issue task, or an argument, analyze an argument task. I will provide an example for the analyze an issue task, which usually requires you to take a position and support it, while also considering opposing viewpoints. Sample GRE analyze an issue essay. Prompt. Claim. In order to improve the quality of education, universities should abandon traditional lecture-based courses and focus solely on interactive, student-centered learning methods. Reason. Traditional lecture-based courses discourage student engagement and do not effectively prepare students for real-world challenges. Essay. The assertion that universities should entirely discard traditional lecture-based courses in favor of interactive, student-centered learning methods to enhance educational quality is a provocative one, fueled by the belief that lectures inherently stifle engagement and fail to equip students with practical skills. While the emphasis on student-centered approaches offers considerable advantages in fostering active learning and critical thinking, a complete abandonment of traditional lectures would be a reductive and ultimately detrimental step, overlooking the distinct and valuable contributions lectures make to a comprehensive educational experience. Proponents of student-centered learning correctly highlight its myriad benefits. Methods such as group projects, seminars, debates, and problem-based learning compel students to actively participate in their education, moving beyond passive reception of information. This active engagement cultivates critical thinking skills as students must analyze, synthesize, and apply knowledge rather than simply memorize it. Furthermore, collaborative learning environments often mirror real-world professional scenarios, where teamwork and communication are paramount. By engaging in discussions, presenting ideas, and solving problems collectively, students develop invaluable interpersonal skills, articulate their thoughts more effectively, and learn to navigate diverse perspectives, all crucial for success in the workplace and in civic life. In this light, traditional lectures, which often involve a unidirectional flow of information from instructor to student, can indeed be seen as less effective in promoting these vital participatory and practical competencies. However, to advocate for the sole reliance on interactive methods is to disregard the unique and irreplaceable role of the lecture. Lectures, when delivered effectively, are unparalleled tools for the efficient and comprehensive dissemination of foundational knowledge. A skilled lecturer can provide a structured overview of complex subjects, synthesize vast amounts of information, introduce key concepts, and contextualize historical developments in a way that interactive methods, by their very nature, struggle to achieve in the same time frame. For subjects requiring a strong theoretical grounding, or for introducing students to entirely new disciplines, a well-crafted lecture can lay a crucial groundwork upon which more interactive learning can build. Moreover, lectures expose students to the insights and research of leading experts in their fields, offering a perspective and depth that might be difficult to replicate solely through student-led discussions or problem-solving. They can inspire curiosity, spark intellectual interest, and provide a shared intellectual baseline for an entire cohort of students. Furthermore, the perceived passivity of lectures is often a misconception. Effective lecturers engage students through rhetorical questions, compelling narratives, and opportunities for clarification, even within a large group format. The issue often lies not with the lecture format itself, but with the quality of its delivery or the lack of complementary interactive components. A balanced approach, therefore, seems far more judicious. Universities should certainly integrate more student-centered learning methods to enhance engagement and skill development, but this should be seen as an addition to, rather than a replacement for, well-designed lectures. Hybrid models, where lectures introduce concepts which are then explored in depth through interactive workshops or seminars, represent a powerful pedagogical synergy. In conclusion, while the drive to enhance educational quality through increased student engagement and practical skill development is commendable, a wholesale rejection of traditional lecture-based courses would be a profound misjudgment. Lectures serve a vital purpose in knowledge dissemination and expert insight. The optimal path forward for universities lies not in an either-or choice, but in a strategic integration of both pedagogical approaches, leveraging the strengths of each to create a richer, more comprehensive, and truly effective learning environment that prepares students both intellectually and practically.